Well, so this is what we were studying in 2020, 2021, 2022, around those years. It was majority of that chunk was in the lockdown, so I would call that lockdown years. And here's what we were studying. So we studied some checkpoint papers, and then there was some computers which we were studying, topics, environmental topics, subject related to design thinking, and we were also studying some languages. Here's a glimpse of what exactly we studied. So let me just twist the camera. Here we go. Okay, so this is, as you can see, checkpoint mathematics. These were the papers which I gave him for practice. We just printed it at home. I mean, you can just download the papers. It's all easily available on the internet. This is again checkpoint mathematics, checkpoint English. So we really loved these papers. I also liked these kinds. This is British Council English, Learn English. It's available on their website, and these comprehension passages, texts, really helped my son improve his reading skills, improve his vocabulary, understand what the words mean, and basically also helped him improve his reading and writing skills. So yeah, I mean, these are the text. This is the text. Then there are also some question answers like this, you can see. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera way too much. So by the way, these are the kind of things that I'm going to give away. So if you're interested, please ping me and let me know if you can collect it from my place. This is science. These are biology notes. You can see the date. It is 2020. Then there was chemistry, periodic table. There was physics. So I used to write down questions for him, and he used to answer it. So we have all customized worksheets here that you can see. These are again downloaded from website English worksheets. You can see the exact name of the website here. I can share it with you later on. But I used to download from a variety of websites, download these texts, download these comprehension passages, especially for English, so that he gets a variety of reading practice, not just limited to a certain kind of writing and reading, but I always try to offer him variety. So you can see ecology related vocabulary, so it was all part of our studies at that time. Then in chemistry, if you see, there was this project that we did. We just got all the things at home, like for example shampoos and toothpaste and some soaps, and we saw what it contains, and the contents were written here, and he had to write the chemical formula for it, the chemical names and the chemical formula for it, and then match the column, kind of a thing, like a fun experiment, or whatever you call it. Not experiment, a fun way to study probably. Yeah, so here you can see toothpaste and all the things that it contains, and then he had to write down the chemical names and formula. So yeah, I mean, a kind of little bit of research, and it's fun when you have something of that sort to study when you're studying. So these are the worksheets. These are some drawings made during the year, drawings. Then there was this, I should figure out a better way to record. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm bad at this. This was a poem that he wrote. He had beautiful handwriting back then. And yeah, this was a poem that he wrote during lockdown. You can see on the first day of quarantine, the news came to me, a totally locked down country. Yeah, it was a parody, but yeah, it was fun writing and making a poem. we were studying all this about, different eras and the birth of Earth, understanding the birth of Earth, understanding what's million years ago and how do we calculate it and what happened. So about 2,300 million years ago, and all these things we were studying. So it was part of history, it was part of sciences, it was part of geography, a combination of things. Again, this is some comprehension. And then one of my friends had given me school worksheets, so just to get an idea. So this is Bombay Scottish worksheets, which were passed on to me by a good friend. Then my son was studying French and he made like a project. Then there was, these are some newspaper cuttings about climate change, making life extinct. So we used to, keep all these articles. You can see date is January 18, 2020. So this is before the lockdown. And these are the articles. So we used to keep newspaper cuttings from different, once a week, cut down all the articles, whichever he finds interesting or he wishes to study about it. You can see this is 25th of Jan, A Lonely Planet, and it's about ecology again, and it's about nurturing the nature. This one is about urban farmers and different types of methods of agriculture that's taking place now, like hydroponics, and we studied about that. Then there was again here, I think so. It was, I don't know what exactly he was studying during this time, but yeah, again, and these are some women leaders here. I remember we studied about Jane Goodall. And then there was about this space lady and rocket science. So yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is this was the kind of variety that we studied. I'll just show you a couple of more things that we studied during that time. Please excuse me, I'm bad with camera, really bad. Just give me a minute, just trying to grab these worksheets. Here. So this is what? This is a Cambridge curriculum. This is from Cambridge website. I had downloaded about computer systems. Then he was studying this stuff. You know what this is, right? Binary, and not just binary. He had gone a step further and was studying a lot of things. Oops. This is ulta. Then studying about USB cable. Here you go. These are some worksheets. Then we studied about, again it's ulta. This is about two-dimensional scanners, and he studied all sorts of things. LCD, LED, what is that? And viruses. So you got an idea about all the computers. And like I said, we were studying product design. So here's the stuff that we studied about that. Yeah. So that was our 2020, 2021 and 2022. If you want these worksheets, please let me know. Take care. Tata. Bye-bye.